Okay, beautiful. So I have the money in my bank account to get 4 bananas tomorrow. Other than that, I have no food. Maybe I have like little bit of food in the kitchen, but it won't be enough. And I today like entire day, I was pooping a lot. Like there was just diarrhea intense. And I noticed that like I have to take care of my gut a lot, and I was like, oh my god, I need to eat fruits, I need to eat good food. I'm just, how will I be able to? All of that stress is going on. I have to pay my rent in 2 days, and my landlord asked me to increase the rent also because it's been 1 year that I've been living here. Okay, yeah. And I live not in my hometown, like far, far, far away from the hometown, which I'm very grateful for. But I'm like, okay, where will I go? What if like all the worst case scenarios were coming up, and today it is very fearful, very challenging. I feel embarrassed. Okay, I never thought that I would say like, hey, donate this money please if you want to. I never wanted to, never ever in my life that I thought that. But like this year, has been like my body could recover from one intense situation, and another intense situation is already prepared for me. And because of that, my gut, living, it's like it's too much. Okay, but I have no complaints. I believe that in a longer run, God will not let my talent go to waste. Because I love showing up here, I love art, I love creativity, I love, I'm super grateful for this bowl of dal right now that I'm eating. I'm not sure whether I should be eating or not because of the gut, but I'm like, yeah, whatever. Anyway, I have so much learning like I'm learning so much from this situation. A lot of compassion and and I think I'll be able to support my client way more deeply with that, because but I am learning how to feel these deep feelings. Yeah, in the longer run, I know somehow God will take care, and God will not let my talents go to waste. Mother Earth will not let my talents go to waste. I do not know how. I'm so unsure, but I'm choosing that God's got it, Mother Earth got this, and I'm guided. Okay, and of course there is so much anger. I'm like, God, why are you doing this to me? Like, why? Where did I go wrong? I knew like I did everything that I could, in terms of like sustaining myself financially. And then I'm like, why am I what anyway? So there is this unsurety, this fear, all these feelings of fear, anxiety, worries, nervousness are there, and they keep me like scared and all of that. But I'm here, and it's okay. It's okay to go through like challenges in life. And yeah, I felt like that I more than this challenges, I was afraid of embarrassment, but send your love, send your prayer if you want to donate. And you see this book over here, it's Artist Way. I know the alphabets would be like this, but anyway, in the chapter 8, and it's like recovering a sense of strength. So basically this book is for the artist, right? So in this, chapter 8, Julia talks about the author that asking right question, like what is the next right step when you are going through tough challenges like that. Because when we are going through something tough, we don't imagine a future as to be bright. It's very easy to think dark for the future, but you gotta hold on to the silver lining and asking like, where does this lead my work, and like what is the next right step, God? Just the next right step, not so that is helping me a lot. Like, how can this law serve me? Where does it point my work? Yeah. And